there.
Okay. So we're going to do exam mode. We're going to go straight through and try to finish all the questions. So okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have one person read, and then we just observe. The person who knows the answer can say it. We'll just answer it. If I feel that is totally wrong, then I'll try to correct it. But absent of that, I'll just let it go. And then after we conclude at the end, then we'll try to, then we'll see who, then we'll look at the ones we missed and then review them.
Okay,
Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So let me just send a reminder on the forum so that we at least give it a good chance to have everybody on board. All right, so let's kick off. Ms. Karen, welcome. The way we are going to go so that we don't waste time with me trying to assign whoever is going to read. We're going to go Desmond, Miss Karen, Miss Geraldine, Mr. Oluwatosin. Desmond, Miss Karen, Miss Geraldine, Mr. Oluwatosin. And if the person is delaying, then I'm just going to ask for the next person to read. So, all right, Mr. Des.
Which of the following, when attached to a permanent life insurance policy, allows the policy owner to customize the policy to provide an additional amount of temporary insurance on the insured, or allows amount of temporary insurance to cover other family members? I think it's supposed to be guaranteed insurance rider.
Hey, guarantee insurability.
Right.
I don't think so.
Change of insurability rider.
So you think it's a term rider?
Yes, term rider. Why? They say, or allows amounts of temporary insurance to cover other family members.
Okay.
You guys have to read the questions very, very keenly.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. That makes it correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Temporary, because term insurance are temporary ones.
Correct. Miss Karen? Karen, if we are not ready yet. Miss Geraldine?
Which of the following terms describe the specific dollar amount beyond which the insured no longer participates in the sharing of expenses? A, first dollar coverage. That's the answer.
No longer participates?
Yeah, you don't have any co-pays.
Is it not stop loss limit?
Oh. No.
No longer participates.
Sharing of expenses, where you have zero co-pay.
Okay, let's go on that. We'll check it. Number 2.
Do we submit?
No, I think you're right, Mr. Oluwatosin. It's top
Yes.
dollar limit. No,
Because
we it doesn't give us a chance to submit. This is exam mode.
Oh, okay. We'll see what we did when they're done. Great.
Correct.
Keep going.
Yeah, so it's stop loss limit because they say which of the following describes the specified dollar amount. So there's a specified dollar amount. For first dollar coverage, you are covered from the beginning. But for stop loss, there's a specified amount beyond which you will not contribute anything.
Okay.
Oh,
All right. Mr. Oluwatosin?
which of the following terms is used to name the non-taxed return of unused premiums? Dividend. Dividend. D.
Correct. Welcome, Ms. Dr. Omotola. Appreciate having you in class. Back to you, Mr. Des.
All of the following are true statements regarding the accumulation of interest option, except
think C.
I think you're right. The annual dividend is retained by the company.
yeah, it's not true.
Correct. Dr. Omotola, if you spoke, we didn't hear you. I noticed you're unmuted. Welcome.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah,
Hello.
welcome.
How are you all doing?
We're doing good. So we are just answering the questions at rapid speed, and then at the end we'll submit and see how we collectively perform.
All right.
So, Mr. Des, back to you.
What required provisions protects against unintentional lack of policy?
Grace
Unintentional.
Period.
Grace period.
Grace period, yes.
Correct. Ms. Geraldine?
What type of life insurance policy generates immediate cash value?
Single premium.
Correct.
Concerning group medical and dental insurance, which of the following statements is incorrect? But it's between C and D. So let me put it well.
Deducted by employees. No.
D sounds more incorrect.
Des, you're very right.
D,
Says
yeah.
employee benefits are tax deductible the year in which they were received.
That's
Employee benefits are not tax.
yeah, they are not deductible, yes.
Okay, let's go. Which two terms are associated directly with the way an annuity is funded?
Single payment or periodic payment?
Correct. Funding, single premium payment or periodic payments. True. Next one, Ms. Geraldine.
An employee has a group life insurance through her employer. After 5 years, she decides to leave the company and work independently. How can she obtain an individual policy? D is the answer.
Yes, correct.
Yes. Within 31 days.
Very
Yes.
true.
Yes.
Hi, baby.
It's C and D plus a lie.
Miss Karen, are you there? Can you read this one?
Policy owner has a health insurance policy with his wife listed as the primary beneficiary. He would like to change the primary beneficiary to his sister. Which of the following is true?
D. Unless the policy designated the current beneficiary as irrevocable, the policy owner can make the change at any time.
True.
That's
D is the
that's
answer.
ownership rights, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Which provision states that the insurance company must pay medical expense claims immediately? Time of
C.
payment of claim.
Payment of claims.
The payment of
Time
claims.
time of payment of claims.
Mm,
Immediately. When it is immediately, I think it's time of
the
payment.
time, payment of claims. I think
Okay.
we've seen this question before.
Okay. Let's see.
What
We
number is
picked time.
that?
I
What
remember
number
last
is
time we
that, sir?
picked time of payment. Yeah.
What number is that, sir?
Number 11.
Number 11. Okay, I will just write it
Go
down.
back up. Let's see. Go back up. Let's see.
No.
It's 11. It's 11.
Yes.
11.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mr. Des.
Once the person meets the stringent requirement for disability benefits under Social Security, how long is the waiting period before the benefit
A.
will be paid?
5
That will
months.
be
A,
5
5
months.
months.
Yes.
Ah, is it correct?
Yes.
Mm.
I watched that video today.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. 5 months.
All right. Next.
Who might receive dividends from a mutual insurer, stockholder?
Mutual insurance, that's policyholders.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Policyholders.
From a stock insurer, it's stockholders.
Yes,
From
sir.
a mutual insurer or a participating company,
Mutual.
it's
Policy.
policyholders.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ms. Geraldine.
An insured owns a general disability policy and is injured during a war, rendering him disabled. What will be the extent of benefits that he will receive? I said 0
0.
because
Yes.
war and self is
Inflation, overseas residence, what else again? Exclusions.
that excludes you from getting it.
Yeah.
But here they are talking about he owns a general disability policy. Does that word general have any impact?
Yes. The general,
Okay.
even when he has general disability policy, when it's occurred during the war, there is exclusion on the general disability.
All right. We'll
Let me
find
note
out.
it. Yes.
15, Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, sir. If an immediate annuity is purchased with the face amount at death or with the cash value at surrender, this will be considered a settlement option. Hey.
Correct. That describes settlement options.
Option. So.
Okay, Mr. Des.
Who makes up the Medical Information Bureau?
Insurance.
The insurers, yes.
Yes.
Correct. Ms. Karen.
Which provision of a life insurance policy states the insurance duty to pay benefits upon the death of the insured and to whom the benefits will be paid.
Insuring
D.
clause. Insuring clause.
Insuring clause.
Yes.
18. Ms. Geraldine.
All the following are true regarding the convertibility option under a term life insurance policy, except
Conversion, the death benefit of permanent policy will be reduced. No.
All right. This one is a low-lying fruit.
Yes. It's A.
All right. Yeah, go ahead.
An insured is covered under a medical policy that provides a list of network healthcare providers that the insured must use to receive coverage. In exchange for this limitation, the insured is offered a lower premium. Which type of Medicare policy does the insured own?
C. Medicare Select.
Select. Okay, thank you. Well,
An insured. Go
Okay.
ahead.
A health insurance policy that pays a lump sum if the insured suffers a heart attack or a stroke is known as
critical illness.
critical illness.
Critical illness. Okay.
Yeah.
Critical illness.
Correct. Ms. Kerry.
Purchase a life insurance policy. The agent told him that depending upon the company's investments and expense factors, the cash values could change from those shown in the policy at issue time. The policy is A/N.
Cash value, okay.
We've seen this question a lot of times.
Is annually renewable term? Am I correct?
No.
Agents.
Is it adjustable life?
No.
Is it not?
Wait, the agent told him that depending on the company.
Okay. Interest sensitive whole life.
Interest sensitive whole life.
Whole life. I'm sorry, I just have to guess.
No, it says depending on the
An applicant is denied
Mm-hmm.
insurance because of information found in a consumer report. Which of the following requires that the insurance company supply the applicant with the name and address of the consumer reporting company? That's supposed to be
credit reporting
access. Wow, look at how they changed the question from what it used to be.
Okay. Ms. Karen.
What is the time frame for filing relevant suspicious activity reports?
Is it not?
Within 30 days of the suspicious transaction.
Not sure. The initial discovery.
During valid class.
Is between A and C.
To be candid. So I think we've seen it some times ago.
All right. So what we have to realize here is that that report is filed. You file a suspicious activity report, not upon the suspicious not upon the suspicious transaction, but upon the initial discovery.
Discovery. Okay.
Oh, so you can go. You can go 5-6 months without you knowing, and you discover it 7 months later. It has to be filed.
Yeah, no, the way it goes is that you observe a suspicious transaction, you open an investigation.
Yes.
And then when you have the initial discovery that says that there is actually there are grounds, then you have to file. So within how many days of that initial discovery do you have to file?
30 days.
I would say 30 days.
30 days.
What is the purpose of a disclosure statement in a life insurance policy?
To obtain important underwriting information.
Okay, so I'm just going to tell you guys what the answer is if you guys don't know. The answer doesn't make sense, but cram it for the exam. It's A, to help consumers compare policy prices. So that is the answer they want. As a lawyer, it would have been to protect agents and insurers against lawsuit, disclosure statement, but no. The answer they want is to help consumers compare policy prices.
Let's think is C.
Which of the following is not the consideration in a policy? It's not that. I would think it's C.
And you're very right.
It's C.
Everything else is consideration. C is not consideration. Miss Karen?
It's true about the cash surrender non-forfeiture option.
B. Funds exceeding the premium paid are taxable as ordinary income. Because it's going to be between.
You're very right. That's the answer. Funds exceeding the premium are paid as ordinary income. That is the only answer that is applicable. Did anybody have anyone want to the contrary? Ms. Geraldine, you are breaking up if you're speaking.
No.
Okay. Next.
What coverage written in conjunction with the hospital expense policies covers surgeon's fee, anesthesia, anesthesiology, and operating room? I would think it's medical. No, it's medical expense.
Yeah, but major.
It's not, okay.
I say it is. A is the major medical expense.
I thought we saw it last time. We choose major medical expense and they took, we were wondering why they took basic medical expense. Anyway, if you are sure of that, let's take it.
Okay, we'll find out.
Write that question down, 27.
27, I think it's basic medical. Basic surgical.
Okay. So write down that question and write down equals to basic surgical expense, so that even if, because it's going to give us probably just the questions that we failed.
Okay.
28. Miss Karen.
Insurers may change which of the following on a guaranteed renewable health insurance policy?
Is it rated by class?
I help you.
Okay. I think that's what is closest to
Right,
what
okay.
we know. Now, Ms. Geraldine.
The period of time immediately following a disability during which benefits are not payable is called elimination
period.
period.
Yes.
This
This is our
spent
friend.
about 30 minutes.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, so when would a misrepresentation on the insurance application be considered fraud? A, if it is intentional and
And
material.
material, yes.
Correct. Mr. Des.
A 63-year-old man is planning to be employed until age 68. When will he be eligible for Medicare? 65. See.
True.
Yes.
Let's go.
Which of the following individuals is eligible for health savings account?
A,
A, high
yes.
deductible.
High deductible.
Correct.
Yes.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
An applicant for health insurance policy returns a complete application to her agent, along with a check for the first premium. She received a conditional receipt 2 weeks later. Which of the following has the insurer done by this point?
A.
A.
Correct.
She received a conditional receipt. Did they say anything? Because that was a time when the one we answered, they said they returned it back in 2 weeks.
Mr. Des, that was the right answer. Let's go.
Okay. All right.
Conditioner is neither approved or said anything.
Mr. Des, let's read this one.
When a whole life policy lapses.
Mr. Des, hold on. Just hold on.
Yeah, we can.
See, an applicant for a health insurance policy returns a completed application for our agent, along with a check for the first premium. Application is there, check is there, but she receives a conditional receipt. It means there's some condition that needs to be fulfilled before a contract is existent.
Yes.
So at that point, that condition has not been fulfilled.
Yes.
See, which of the following has the insurer done by this point? Neither approved the application nor issued the policy.
Okay, that's the question, because you guys were so fast. Okay. Remember the way I'm thinking. I didn't see the whole thing, so that's why I wanted to be sure it's what it is. Go ahead.
All right, Mr. Des, let's read this one.
When a whole life policy lapses or is surrendered prior to maturity, the cash value can be used to yes.
C.
To purchase
the single premium policy for reduced first amount. Okay.
No, that's not the answer.
Yeah, I think.
What about A? Pay back all premiums owed.
Yes, pay back all premiums owed plus interest. Because, okay, C says purchase a single premium policy for a reduced face amount.
No.
This is when that policy is still active. But here they say it has lapsed or is surrendered prior to maturity. So when you surrender, you cannot have a policy anymore.
And you cannot take anything back.
Correct. So it's pay back all premium owed plus interest. Number 35, Ms. Karen.
Under the accidental death and dismemberment AT&D coverage, what type of benefit will be paid to the beneficiary in the event of the insurer's accidental death?
That would be,
D.
I think that would be D.
D.
Pardon?
D as in David.
They say what type
of.
They didn't say what amount.
They want us to know either it's going to be Principal sum or capital sum.
Correct.
So I think
They're not asking for the amount here. They're asking for what type.
Okay.
Just hold on. Just hold on. They say under the accidental death and dismemberment coverage. They did not tell us if it's double or triple indemnity.
indemnity, yes.
We cannot assume that is double the amount.
Okay.
So they are not asking for the amount.
I think it's principal
Correct.
sum.
The principal sum. Okay, Mr. Oluwatosin.
In group life policies, a certificate of insurance is given to
Low-lying fruit.
Yeah.
each insured person. C. Yes, sir. Each insured person.
Mr. Des.
The limit of health reimbursement, the limits of a health reimbursement account are set by the employer.
Employer, yes, sir.
38, Ms. Karen.
Insured owns a life insurance policy. To be able to pay some of her medical bills, she withdraws a portion of the policy's cash value. There is a limit for a withdrawal and the insurer charges a fee. What type of policy does the insured most likely have?
It's a life.
Universal life.
Yes.
Correct.
That's right.
Okay.
Current interest rate. The current interest rate on an equity index annuity is often based on
Yeah. An index standard.
An index like the S&P 500.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Go ahead.
So, okay, so under the privacy rule for HIPAA, protected information includes all individual identifiable health information. C, read or transmitted.
uniform.
And this is cool. It's always C, so they make
Mr.
it C.
Des.
An agent is in the process of replacing the insured's current health insurance policy with a new one. Which of the following would be proper? The old policy.
Correct. Next.
What type of policy allows the insurance company to cancel a policy at any time? A, cancelability.
Cancelability.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
In a case where the primary beneficiary predeceases the insured, in the event of insured's death, the death benefit proceeds will be paid to
contingent
beneficiary. A.
Correct. Next.
Which of the following provides coverage on a first dollar basis?
Basic expense. I think it's basic expense.
First dollar basis.
Okay, let's choose one, then we'll find out.
Write that question down.
Write that question down, Mr.
Okay.
44.
44, yes, sir.
All right. Ms. Karen.
A policy with a 31-day grace period implies
A.
A.
Correct.
All of the following are known for future options except D.
Interest only, yes.
Correct. Those interest only is a settlement option. Correct. Ms. Geraldine.
Okay.
Yeah. All of the following are true regarding key employee disability income insurance, except
D. Benefit are taxable to the employer. They are received tax-free. So
D.
except
D.
D.
Correct.
The premium are okay.
Very true.
Which of the following is true about the requirements regarding HIV exam?
C. The applicant must give a
Yes.
prior
Must
consent.
be given
Correct.
information.
Written consent.
Yes, written
consent. Ms. Geraldine.
What is another name for interest-sensitive whole life insurance?
Is it assumption life?
Correct.
Yes.
Current assumption life. This is one that you cram.
Yes.
Current assumption life.
Yeah, it looks quite different.
Yeah, current assumption life. That's another name for interest-sensitive whole life.
Okay.
Ms. Karen.
In the event a policy lapses due to non-payment of premium, within how many days will it be automatically reinstated once the outstanding premium is paid?
5 days.
45 days.
Correct.
Which of the following statements regarding business overhead expenses policies is not true?
B.
Benefits are usually limited to 6 months.
I'm not too sure. So
Um,
I think B. Because who want to get an insurance that is only good for 6 months? For a business.
that's true.
if the benefits received are taxed, okay.
G.
Geraldine, I think you're right.
Yes.
Benefits are usually limited to 6 months, which is not true. Ms. Geraldine, you want to read this one?
Yeah. Why a claim is pending, an insurance company may require
C. An independent examination as often as reasonably required.
Correct. Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, so which of the following best describes the MIB? C. It is a non-profit organization that maintains underwriting information applicant for life and health insurance.
Correct.
It's a non-profit.
Which of the following is not a term for the period of time during which the annuitant or the beneficiary receives income?
Depreciation period.
depreciation?
Correct. Ms. Karen.
Which of the following programs expands individual public assistance programs for people with insufficient income and resources?
Medicaid.
B. Medicaid.
Low-lying fruit. Okay. Ms. Geraldine.
Yeah. What type of premium do universal life and variable life policies have?
I used to miss this thing.
Universal life and variable.
Is that level of flexible? Oh my God.
Flexible.
I used to miss it.
Flexibility.
Flexible.
Flexibility.
Flexible.
Yes,
Yeah,
this question should be a low-lying fruit. Once you see universal
flexible
life, it's a flexible premium policy.
I thought about mine, Valley. Flexible.
Flexible.
There you go.
Which of the
Mr.
following
Oluwatosin.
policies?
Okay. Which of the following policies will have an IRS required corridor or gap between the cash value and the death benefit? Universal life option A.
Correct. This one is one that you cram also.
Yes.
When you see IRS required corridor or gap between cash value and death benefit, they're talking about universal life option A, which is also level.
Yes.
And B is graded.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Des.
On a health insurance application, a signature is required for all of the following except
B.
The spouse of the policy owner.
B as in boy.
Okay. Miss Karen.
Employer contributions to health reimbursement accounts treated in regards to taxation.
They are tax deductible.
They are tax deductible from the
Employer.
employer.
But from employee, they are not tax deductible.
Okay. Ms. Geraldine.
The premium paid by an employee in a business life insurance policy are the premiums paid by an employer in a business life insurance policy are
tax deductible.
Tax deductible by the employer.
Yeah. So they just repeated the question.
Okay. Next, Ms. Geraldine.
Okay.
An insured purchased a non-cancelable health insurance policy 1 year ago. Which of the following circumstances will not be a reason for the insurance company to cancel that policy?
The insured is in an accident and incurs a large claim.
Yeah, D.
Yeah.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
What is the term used for an applicant's written request for an insured for the company to issue a contract based on the information provided? That's application.
D application.
Wait a second. What is the term used for an applicant's written request to an insurer for the company to issue contract based on information provided? Okay, got it.
All right. Yes.
All of the following are characteristics of group life insurance except
C.
Premiums are determined by the age, sex, occupation of each individual certificate holder.
Yes, P.
Correct.
That's true.
Excellent, Ms. J. Premium is not determined on an individual basis. It's determined by the ratio of men to women.
Men to women, yeah.
The word there is individual, right?
Correct.
Yes. Regarding taxation of business overhead expenses.
This question has come itself all over again, different forms.
I think premiums are not tax deductible. No.
But benefits.
So can't see more of my brain around it. You knows this thing. It's it. Oh, let me just think it. We should think it.
When you see this, one thing you have to remember, let me give you guys a clue.
Yes,
if the premiums are not tax deductible, if the premiums are not tax deductible, then the benefit is not going to be taxed. If the premiums are tax deductible, then the benefits are going to be taxed.
That should be B then.
No.
No, it's not B.
B. Yes.
I think it's C. Premiums are not tax deductible, but expenses paid are tax deductible. Yeah.
No.
No.
Business
Expenses.
overhead. I'm hearing you, sir.
This is really confusing one.
Because it's business overhead policies.
Now, business overhead, who pays the premium here?
The company.
Business owner.
Company.
Companies. Yeah. It does seem like D will be the answer.
I'm leaning for B. Premiums are deductible and the benefits are taxed.
Yeah, that's the answer. That's B.
But you guys told me it wasn't correct when I said it.
Well, we didn't key in, sorry.
Yeah.
So, remember, I said if premiums are tax deductible, then the benefits are going to be taxed. Because you're already benefiting from when you pay the premiums. When they pay you the benefits, it will be taxed. If they, like as in the key person insurance, for the key person insurance, the premiums are not tax deductible and the benefits are paid tax-free. They are not taxed either. So this is sort of the reverse of the key person insurance.
Let's go.
All right, Miss
In a
Carey.
long term,
Let's keep going.
Already.
Somebody else read.
She's reading.
In a
Miss...
long-term care LTC policies, as the benefits period lengthens, the premium decreases.
I think.
No.
Increases.
Long-term care.
Yes.
Yes.
It increases because we're talking about care. They'll pay more money. Yes. Increases because they'll need to spend more money to take care of you. Yep.
Correct. 66. Either death or occurring. Or Miss Geraldine.
Which of the following insurance arrangements will be appropriate for a parent buying a life insurance policy on a child where the parent is the policy holder? It's family term
rider.
D. 67 of 165. Go ahead.
In forming an insurance contract, when does acceptance usually occur?
D. When another insurance underwriter approves coverage.
Correct. 68. Mr. Oluwatosin.
What is the purpose of a conditional receipt? I'm coming. I know it.
It's intended to provide coverage on a date prior to the policy issue.
Correct.
Yes, that's true.
Which of the following type of policy allows for a flexible premium and a variable investment component?
Universal life insurance.
Correct. Variable universal life insurance.
Which of the following will vary the length of the grace period in health insurance policies? Is it the mode of premium payment?
The length of the elimination period?
Mode of payment.
Remember, it depends on how your grace period will depend on the mode of your payment. If it's
weekly, bi-weekly.
10 days. Yeah, that's true.
That's very true.
So which one is the answer here?
B. B is the answer.
Correct. Okay.
Who is a third-party owner?
Okay.
Not seen.
You can answer this question
Revocable.
easily through elimination.
Is he an irrevocable beneficiary?
No.
Yes.
A
No.
beneficiary is never an owner.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
A policy owner who is not the insured.
C.
Correct.
Mhm.
Mr. Des, can you read this one?
Which of the following is not true regarding the annuitant?
The annuitant cannot be the same person as the annuity owner.
Correct.
That's
The annuity can be the same person as the annuity owner.
it can be okay.
Cannot.
Mm.
Cannot.
But it can be, but that's not
Yes.
true.
It's
Yeah,
Yes.
but they say which
Yes.
of the following is not true.
True, yes.
Okay.
Which of the
Which of-
following statement is true about a policy assignment?
transfer
A.
rights of ownership from one
A.
owner to another. Absolute and collateral. Yeah.
So it's A.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very true. Mr.
Which
Oluwatosin.
Which of the following is true about the premium on children's rider in a life insurance policy?
A. It remains the same no matter how many children you add.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Des.
Another term used to describe non-deductible coverage is
B. First dollar.
Correct.
First dollar means no payment. No
Yes.
coverage. Yeah.
Correct. Miss Karen.
What is the purpose of establishing the target premium for a universal life policy?
A. To keep the policy in force.
Policy in force. Yes.
Correct.
what is the purpose of fixed period settlement option?
Period. Okay.
Fixed period
B.
settlement.
It provides a
B.
guaranteed income for a certain amount of time.
Yes.
Correct. Ms. Geraldine, you want to read the next one?
Yeah. If an employee wants to enter a group outside of the open enrollment period to reduce adverse selection, the insurer may A.
A.
provide evidence of
Evidence of
insurability.
insurability. Yes. It's outside. A father purchase. Okay.
Go ahead.
sir.
Go ahead.
Mr.
Go ahead.
Oluwatosin, go ahead.
Okay. A father purchases a life insurance policy on his teen daughter and adds the payer benefit rider. In which of the following scenarios will the rider waive the payment of premium?
C.
The father.
If the father is disabled for more than 6 months.
C.
Can Mr. Des?
What is not a benefit of POS plan? What is not a benefit of POS plan?
Point of service. Okay.
That would be C.
Yeah, that's true.
C.
Lock them in.
No, D. It allows employee to use a doctor that is not covered. No.
That's a benefit. The answer is very clear here.
It allows guaranteed acceptance of all applicants.
Correct. That's too extreme.
Yeah.
That of all, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Miss Kerry. If not, go ahead, Miss Kerry.
So the following components contain the company's promise to pay.
A, the entire provision,
Right.
contract provision.
Insurance clause.
Oh.
Yeah, it has to be a more specific
Oh,
provision, which is the insuring clause.
that's the second time missing this insurance.
Don't miss it.
Yeah.
Which of the following policy component contains the company's promise to pay? It's a more specific provision, the insuring clause. All right. Ms. Geraldine.
The provision which prevents the insured from bringing any legal action against the company for at least 60 days after proof of loss is known as it's between B and B. I think it's
either payment of claims or legal actions.
Yeah, let's take a picture. Let's take a picture of this question. We have to come in.
It's B.
It's
payment of claims.
Okay, but I want to take a picture so that when we review it,
yeah,
we know.
82. Lower Tosin is number 82.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Screenshot it.
Good.
Okay.
All right. Is my read it. Who's responsible to determine if all of the questions on application have been answered? That's the agent.
Yes, sir. The B answer.
B for boy. Final answer.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Wants to be a millionaire.
All right, Ms. Geraldine.
Which of the following will allow a physician to submit a claim information prior to providing treatment to know in advance if the procedure is covered under the insurance plan or at what rate? Prospective review?
This sounds like that.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Which one is prospective review?
You're hoping, you're just fishing. You're hoping that that's what it is. So you're doing a prospective claim. Because it's not comprehensive.
It's not. Concurrent is different. So.
Yes.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
All of the following are differences between individual and group health insurance, except I think B.
I think
except
B.
I thought it's B. Did you say D?
No, B.
Well,
individual insurance does not require medical examinations, while group insurance does require medical examinations.
Other way around. So B is the answer.
Yes.
Because you go under group to hide under so that nobody can do that. Yeah. Individuals, you have to prove.
Preconditions are acceptable.
Every except has extreme view. The automatic premium loan provisions is activated at the end of the
policy period.
At the end.
Automatic premium loan.
Elimination period.
Or grace period. Is grace period when your policy relaxes?
Sorry, it's grace period. You're right.
Grace period, yes.
It's grace. Oh, God. Some questions are very tricky to me.
You have to take a minute to think.
So I have to pause, like.
Okay. Miss Karen, you want to read this one?
Which of the following is not a feature of non-cancellation policy?
The insurer may terminate the contract only at renewable for certain conditions.
No.
It's not. The insurer do not have power over non-cancelable policy.
You remember Oga Valentine asked, what if you don't pay your premiums?
Yeah, if the premium is not paid now.
Remember?
Okay. So what look like it? Because B is correct, D is correct, premium cannot be increased beyond the amount stated in the policy. The insurer has
The
the
insurer has
right.
the right to renew the policy for
For the,
life of the contract.
yes, that's why it's not cancelable. The guarantee to renew coverage usually applies until the insurer reaches certain age. So either A or B then. But
Let's pull out our trump card. Oga Valentine.
The answer is B, and let me tell you guys why. Look at A. The guarantee to renew the coverage usually applies until the insured reaches a certain age. That's true. Age 65.
65, yes. Yes.
Let's look at C. The insured has the right to renew the policy for the right of the contract. True.
Yes.
Non-cancelable. Let's look at D. The premiums cannot be increased beyond the amount stated in the policy.
That's
I
true.
think we face situations where we have established that this is it.
Yes.
So only one
after
person out is the insurer may terminate the contract only at renewal for certain conditions. And we've seen in the past that this is the option.
That's true.
Yeah.
87. I've noted it. 87.
We were tempted towards D, which said the premiums cannot be increased beyond the amount stated in the policy. And we thought, how about they can increase it for the class? But we found out that that is not true. So the answer is B. Yeah. All right. 88 Des, let's read this one.
Which is true regarding obtaining underwriting sources?
B. C, rather C. The applicant must be informed of the sources contacted and how the information is being gathered.
True.
Correct.
Let's see.
C.
Correct.
Under an extended term non-forfeiture option, the policy cash value is converted to
the face amount equal. Oh, yeah, that's B. The same
Correct.
face
The same
amount.
face amount as in the whole life policy.
Yes.
Extended term.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Miss Karen.
The insuring clause of a disability policy usually states all of the following except
Okay, it's a method of premium payment.
C.
Yes.
I've seen this question before.
Yes. 90.
Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
the insurance clause of a disability policy usually states all of the following except type of losses covered, the insurance, the insured against losses. The insured against losses is provided.
Correct. I mean, you're right. C is the answer.
Yep.
Which of the following insurance provision describes the insurer's right to cancel?
Cancellation.
Cancellation provision.
Oh,
D.
yeah.
Is it cancellation or
Oh, it's insuring
renewal?
clause.
No, renewal provision.
Right
Okay.
to cancel coverage.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Let me note it.
Note
91.
it. Note it. We'll take a look at that.
Policy
Yes.
duration provision.
It's either B or D.
Yes. Renewal provision.
Which of the following provision describe the insured right to certain coverage, to cancel coverage?
Let's go cancellation because the word cancel is there. These people, they set this
Insurance.
exam up to make people fail. Let's move on.
That insurance clause.
Let's move on.
Okay, let's go.
Mhm.
That would be 91.
Yes.
Okay.
We're on track to finish this thing on time.
We are making progress. Like,
Miss Geraldine?
Which of the following type of LT long-term care is not provided in an institutional setting?
it's not.
Custodian care,
Home healthcare.
institutional,
Mm-hmm.
home health.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's true.
You
It's not
forgot.
provided, but institutional, let's say it's in a nursing home.
Yeah.
So A, this.
Home healthcare.
Yes.
You gave the right answer the last time we we had it.
Yeah,
So.
I know. Tell me about it. I'm getting confused. It's A.
Home healthcare.
Yeah.
Okay.
A
93.
guaranteed renewable disability insurance policy. A guaranteed renewable disability insurance policy.
Cannot be cancelled by the insured before age 65.
No, the insured can cancel his policy at any time. A guaranteed renewable disability policy.
Mhm.
The insurer can stop paying premiums and that will cancel.
Or the insured.
Yes.
I'm looking at the
What do you say?
renewable at the option of the insurer to a specified age. It's the
Yeah,
no.
A looks like the only answer here. Is renewable
Yes,
at
A,
insured
yeah,
option to a specified age.
black
Take
age.
picture of that's
93.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Today.
Have you taken a picture?
Just 1 second. Yes,
All right.
I did. Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
An investor buys a life policy on an elderly person in order to sell it for a life settlement. This is an example of
It's totally
Hello
policy.
policy. A.
Ibukunulu, she's the one that she's the one that helped me with that.
I read this at work. I was listening on one of the tapes about this one that Olga Valentine talked about. Mhm.
Okay. Let's go.
All of the following are true of an annuity owner except C.
Oh, see, that's true. It doesn't receive benefits. May not.
May not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
may not receive benefits if it's not their annuitants.
which statement is not true regarding a straight life policy?
D. Its premium steadily decreases over time in response to its growing cash value. No. That's a level premium. That's a level premium and level debt face amount.
It is usually develops cash value at the end of the third policy year. That seems like it's not the answer. That's
B is
extreme.
the answer. Is the lowest annual premium of the 3 types of whole life. That, I don't know that is true.
The statement is not true.
Yes.
Regarding
So
a
is it
straight
the
life.
one that developed the lowest annual premium? Straight life.
No.
Look at number one. Number one seems it's extreme.
It's not extreme.
A seems like it's extreme.
No, it developed cash value
The value at the end of the third policy, yeah. But B says it has the lowest annual premium for the 3 types of whole life policy.
Yes.
Straight life?
Mr. Valentine, come and bail us from this one.
I think D
Okay.
is what.
Okay. Let me assess it. Which statement is not true regarding a straight life policy? All right. So first of all, a straight life policy is a whole life policy.
Yes.
Okay. That's the first thing we want to establish. So let's look at it in that regard. A usually develops cash value by the end of the third year. That's true.
That's true.
B, it has the lowest annual premium for the 3 types of whole life. Let's hold that, put it aside. C, the face value is paid. The face value of policy is paid to the insured at age 100. True.
True.
D, its premium steadily decreases over time in response to its growing cash value. That's not true.
That's D. It's level.
It's
not.
It's level. The face amount is level for whole life.
So D is the answer.
So then we have to also accept that it has the lowest annual premium of the 3 types of whole life.
Okay.
Because it's not flexible. The other ones are flexible. You can increase the premium. Yes.
All of the following are advantages of an HMO or PPO for a Medicare recipient except
A. Selective cosmetic procedures are covered.
Yeah, it's not true.
Does it cover cosmetic?
That's really like you remember they said about dental, eyeglasses, and all whatnot. I think it's B.
I think so. What cosmetic? You are the one that said it doesn't
take
take.
advantage of an HMO people for a medic.
Yeah, HMO. Is it the Medicare that does not do cosmetic?
None of them does cosmetic. Is it cosmetic? Is it not to color our face to do something like that?
Yeah, go ahead and put B as well. I don't have them.
So I don't think they do that.
Go ahead and flatten my tummy.
Ms. Geraldine, you remember now?
I think B.
Okay.
Yes, because all of the following are advantage of an HMO or PPO for a Medicare recipient except. Let's go B. Prescriptions are covered under Medicare Part D as in David. And HMO or PPO is always like a supplement that picks up what B does not cover. B as
HMO
in boy.
PPO still covers your prescription. Yes, they are covered. You know, have you come to the point that you need your prescriptions and they say you are HMO or PPO, we are not going to cover you?
No.
It is covered. So that's a fact.
I really want her to remember our illustration concerning cosmetic. So she's the one that gave us the answer.
I think the answer is A.
Okay.
B says prescriptions might, that word might be covered, unlike Medicare. Medicare, your prescriptions are covered depending on if you buy the supplement.
Mhm.
No, Medicare you have Medicare prescription is covered under Medicare Part D as in David.
But is Part D automatic or is it additional?
It's additional.
Additional.
All right. So, but
Mhm.
here it says elective cosmetic procedures are covered. If you choose to go do a nose job under your HMO and PPPO, is it going to be covered?
No.
No. Okay.
Let's go with it. Let's go. We gotta finish this. How much time do
97.
we have left?
Let's note that one.
97, yes.
Yes.
How are we doing on time?
Well, I think we are. Let me look and see. I think we'll be able to finish it. Yeah, we have enough time.
Okay, go for it.
But we should not relent.
We should not relent. Yes,
Yeah.
98. Des, let's read this one.
Which of the following riders would not increase the death benefit?
Your benefit rider.
Granting
Your benefit rider.
Yes.
Correct. Okay, Ms. Geraldine.
The Gramm-Leach-Billy Act was passed to
When you read this, every time you see this Gramm-Leach-Billy Act, think of it is something passed by Congress to help consumers. It's an advantage to consumers.
Oh, D.
Is that D? D.
Yes. Allow consumers.
No, I didn't want to use the word and give it away. It's something to protect.
B.
It's about
it is B.
Private consumer
It's B.
information file.
Protecting consumers.
Yes.
B for boy.
Okay.
And Desmond will remember that Senator Graham, who was a senator from Texas.
Texas, yes,
existed in the 90s.
Correct. Correct. Yep. It was a big deal when he did that.
Correct.
C, that one, the answer is C, security license. Or you need two.
Yes.
I think you need both.
Both live license and security license.
Correct.
Both license
you need both.
Licenses, both, yes.
It's B.
B.
Miss Karen, you want to read this one?
A woman obtains health coverage through the marketplace on October 1st. 2 weeks later, she finds out that she's 3 months pregnant. Which of the following is true about coverage for pregnancy?
B.
Immediately, yes.
Yes.
Correct.
In which of the following cases will be the insured will the insured be able to receive the full face amount from a whole life insurance? C.
C, if he short lives to age 100, that's maturity. Endowment.
Correct.
In which of the following case? Oh, you're gone.
The benefit for sorry.
All right.
Go back to the previous. We skipped it.
No, we didn't. We answered it.
Okay.
103.
Okay.
The benefits for individual disability plan are based on
percentage of the worker's income. We've seen this question.
Oh, yes. Yes.
We've seen this question
individual disability face a fat amount. A fat amount. That's the benefit. That's what the benefit is based on. Is a group that is based on the percentage of workers' income.
On a flat, yes, that's a different answer there. Flat amount.
Well, not
You
that
have not
question.
picked it.
Did we check it?
You
Go ahead and check it.
Go
Val.
back, we'll check on that one.
Uncle
Go
Val,
back.
go ahead and check it.
Check what?
The previous
Go back
question,
to
we didn't check it.
103. We didn't select it.
Ah,
Yeah. They would have assumed we didn't be.
the benefit of individual policy are based on
I think the income.
percentage of the
It says-
worker's income.
Okay.
That's what I thought. I think
Yeah.
we've seen this question before.
Correct.
103.
And remember, I said that.
Remember.
I remember I said that back in like 2005 when I fractured my leg. No, 2003. I got 80% disability based on my income. So it was 80% of my income.
Okay.
Okay. Geraldine, let's read this one.
Okay.
Which of the following is not a feature of guaranteed renewable provision?
It's not a feature of a guaranteed provision.
Okay, by process of elimination, D is right.
Correct.
A is right.
A is not right.
The insured benefits cannot be reduced. Well, it can be reduced.
Guaranteed renewable.
Provision.
Which means the insured has certain benefits under that contract.
Okay.
You cannot reduce the
Cannot be
benefits.
reduced. Yeah, that should be the
yes,
answer.
yes.
That's the answer.
No, it's not. Which of the following is not a feature of a guaranteed renewable provision? With the benefits.
Oh, you're right. You're right. It's not a feature. A
It's
is a
not.
feature. The insured benefits cannot be reduced. That's true.
So what of insurer can increase the policy premium?
That's the answer. You're right.
Yeah.
On individual, or it should be on class
Correct.
basis.
Yeah.
From group basis.
You're right.
And H at 10.
Correct. Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, sir. If a beneficiary wants a guarantee that benefit paid from principal and interest will be paid for a period of 10 years before being exhausted, what settlement options should the beneficiary select?
A, fixed period.
Fixed period.
Yes, fixed period. With certain, with period certain. No.
Period of 10 years.
Yes, it's fixed period, sir.
When it's fixed amount, when you determine how much amount he wants.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Period.
Okay.
Underwriting is a major consideration when an insured wishes to replace their current policy for all of the following reasons, except
the premium always stay the same. Yeah.
D. My premium stayed the same. I'll just leave it alone.
That's it.
It would have been premium increasing.
Yeah, attain age.
I'm giving them a reason to change.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Okay, sir. An insurer would like to add a provision to his individual health insurance policies. This particular provision will be consistent with uniform provisions. Which of the following is true? B, additional provisions are, no, sorry, C, additional provision will be allowed as long as it is approved by the state. C.
Hold on. Okay. All right, got it.
As long as.
Which of the following is not covered under Part B of Medicare policy?
D.
This is one that you have to take a picture of also.
Is it D?
Is there routine data care?
Oh.
Yeah. Part B,
Sure.
no, Part B covers
Dental
Because
care.
remember, Part B covers what A is not covered.
Yes.
And I think home health care is it under A? That's let's look. I know it covers lab services, physicians' expenses. Yeah.
I think B.
D?
B, the dental. You
Oh,
remember they said dental, eye exam, and what that is not covered by A, B will pick up or what? Yes.
yes. So
It's B.
one of it.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, now we're getting the state. Okay. Ms. Geraldine, start this one.
Credit life
How
insurance is
it?
usually issued as what type of policy? C,
Term,
term
is a
life.
term life policy.
Correct.
It's temporary.
Mr. Oluwatosin.
So an insured health insurance carrier denied his claim for coverage. After 2 weeks of going through the appeal process, he decides to request an independent review organization to look into the case. After initially reviewing the case, the organization requests several medical reports for the insurance carrier. If the carrier receives the request on Monday, April 22nd, by what day must the carrier send the request document to the review organization?
It has to be 3 days. So
that's April 5th.
April 5th.
So this is the case. They try to spook us with this all the time.
They bring different narrations.
Okay, April 2nd. Sorry, I have to analyze it. April 2nd.
Yes, sir.
Adam of the carrier send the requested documents.
I think within 72 hours.
Okay. So you say it's April 5th.
Yes, sir.
Take a picture of this. My head is, I'm getting confused when you have to respond and when you have to send a document.
What
when you
number
have
is
to
it, sir?
acknowledge,
Yes,
or when you have to send.
acknowledge. Yes.
What number
Take a
is it,
picture.
sir?
Go back, let's see the number.
I think it's 109 or something.
Okay,
110.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine that way.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
All right, Mr. Des.
An individual obtained a life insurance policy on March, but 3 months later was deemed clinically insane by the state of Missouri. 5 months later, the insured takes his own life. What type of death benefit will the policy beneficiary receive?
What this has to do with suicide?
Yes.
Within what time frame?
It's within 2 years.
D.
D. So
No,
D is the
no
answer.
benefit will be received because the policies was not in effect for at least 1 year. However, all premiums will be paid. Payment will be returned.
Correct. That's the complete answer.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yep.
Final answer.
Yes, sir.
Life
insurance.
insurance are prohibited from including any of the following in their advertisement except
Guarantee of company.
except
Okay.
is A, explanation of the no.
Guarantee of company earnings should be D. They're not supposed to guarantee the earnings.
Except
Yeah.
where? Yes, guarantee of company earnings.
No, policy
No.
appraisals.
Remember, they say life
analysis.
insurance are prohibited from including any of it. So 3 are prohibited and only 1 is not.
Okay.
Policy appraisals and
C.
analysis.
C, poly appraisal and analysis.
It's not prohibited.
Well,
What about A?
Explanation that premiums may be withdrawn.
Maybe. It should not be included in, I don't know, in the advertisement that they'll pay premium now.
It's either A or C.
Hold on.
Appraisal and analysis.
Does the government endorsement by government entities, is that correct?
No, they cannot put that.
They cannot. All of them are wrong. That is wrong, except which one is the correct one?
Unfair trade.
Policy appraisal and analysis. Let's stick with that one. Let's take the numbers.
D is the answer. They can never guarantee the earnings of the company. You cannot guarantee earnings.
No, they say a guarantee of company, which means it's prohibited. They're talking about the except. D is prohibited. The except is either A or C. But we are settling with C because policy appraisals and analysis, you can put that in your advertisements.
So give them the opportunity to compare.
That's for solicitation.
113. Ms. J, can you read this one?
Which of the following may not be included in an insurance company advertisement? Again?
Okay, so let's look at it again. C. Policies issued by the company are protected by state guarantee legislation.
You're correct.
So that's, yes.
Okay. Ms. Carey.
Okay.
If not, Mr. Oluwatosin. Yeah, Miss Alote, let Ms. Carey read.
Yes.
Legally, insurance in this state, an insurer must obtain which of the following?
Certificate of authority.
Correct. Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, so which is required of an insurer? What is required of an insurer? Should an insurer commit suicide period to 1 year elapsing under a life insurance policy?
I think it's all of the following. Oh, no. I thought, no. I'm wrong.
First, we have to understand how long you have to be on life insurance before committing suicide.
2 years.
Well, they've said prior to 1 year. So some states are 1 year, some states are 2 years. So we know that this covers all states.
So all paid premium must be returned.
Correct.
Yeah.
Mr.
Which of the following is not a punishment of violating the director's cease and desist order?
Correct.
B, imprisonment.
Correct.
That's too harsh.
Yep.
That I'll be getting, I will not take this exam.
Mr. Des.
Yes, sir. Which of the following is true about credit line life insurance?
B.
Creditor.
No. Yes,
Hold
B.
on. The creditor is the policy owner.
Correct. Question 118, Ms. Geraldine.
A long-term care insurance shopper's guide must be provided in a form developed by which of the following?
Office of Insurance Regulation in Washington. But he's a director.
The director.
The director.
Correct. Mr. Oluwatosin.
All health insurance policies issued in this state must provide coverage for maternity services. How many hours of inpatient care must be provided to a mother after delivery by cesarean section? I think
it's 48 hours.
48
At
hours.
least
48 hours.
it's 96.
Huh?
It's 96.
96.
48 hours means just 2 days. C-section.
Oh, okay.
For normal delivery is 48.
Normal delivery is 48. C-section is 96.
96.
Okay.
On its advertisement, a company claims that it has funds in its possession that are, in fact, not available for the payment of losses or claim. This company is guilty of
Misrepresentation.
misrepresentation.
Is it unfair claim practice?
It's unfair claim practice because they did not tell us that it does not have those funds.
It says in its advertisement.
It says in its advertisement, a company claims that it has funds in its position that are in fact not available for the payment of losses or claims. Or you might be right, it's misrepresentation.
It's could be misrepresentation. Yes.
You lied.
Okay. Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
So a producer in another state wants to become a producer in Missouri. The other state gives the same privileges to Missouri producers wanting to be licensed in that state as it does its own producers. Missouri therefore extends the privileges of its producers to the prospective producer of the other state. What is this called?
Reciprocity.
D, reciprocity.
Reciprocity.
Correct.
Yeah, reciprocity.
$122. Mr. Des.
Who maintains responsibility for claim made in an advertisement on behalf of the insurance company?
Right.
Who maintains
D.
responsibility for claims? I think it is the insurer.
D.
Correct. Miss Karen. Miss Karen, are you there?
The director can revoke an insurance producer's license for any of the following causes except
Step D or C?
No. If you are charged with something, have you been convicted?
Oh, no, that's the right answer. Innocent until proven guilty.
Okay.
Could be a lie.
Miss Geraldine.
The director and his designated examiner may examine the conduct of any insurance company operating in Missouri. The director must conduct a financial examination for every insurer licensed in Missouri at least.
And this is true for all states.
Every
5 years.
every 5 years.
5 years.
Correct. At least once every 5 years. Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay, so which of the following authorities may issue a cease and desist order in an insurer if an insurer is violating the insurance code?
Director.
The director.
Correct.
The
Pay
director.
attention, the director. Mr. Des.
Which of the following statement is true regarding LTC insurance? It must be approved with the
Policy must offer non-forfeiture benefits.
non-forfeiture benefits. Yes.
To the applicants.
D.
You say D or B?
B.
Every policy must offer non-forfeiture benefit to the applicants.
To
Okay.
the applicants.
D. B.
Whether it's long-term, whether it's policy.
All right, look between B and C.
Of insurance to the applicants. Reduce paid up.
So,
No, that's not for long-term care.
Okay, so let me analyze it, okay?
okay.
They say every policy must offer non-forfeiture benefits.
Which means it's optional.
Okay, C says LTC policies may not include any riders. Which of the following is true?
Yeah.
I think
Are there
B is
riders in LTC?
I think B is true because it's a law. Like it's an insurance law that every insurance policy must offer non-forfeiture benefits.
Which is optional, yes. It's like automatica. You
Yes.
don't have to pick it, but it's there.
What is a non-forfeiture benefit?
That's the that the policy will not how do I put it? For policy that has that has cash value, that they will not lose their cash value, and that
we are talking about long-term care policies.
Long-term care. That's no
long-term care policies accumulate cash.
No, they don't.
Yep.
They only pay incomes.
So for non-forfeiture values, we are talking about universal life policies.
That's true.
That accumulate cash.
Do they really include riders in long-term care?
Yes, in long-term care, you can have a rider that says you have additional, let's say you can have a rider like the cost of inflation rider.
Yes.
Because long-term care is to benefit you in case you are disabled or anything like that. And inflation might be high, so there can be a cost of inflation rider in there, you know. But they may or they may not. It is not compulsory that they have to include those kind of riders. So the answer here, you can take a picture and we'll verify. The answer here is actually C.
Okay.
That they may not include riders. They can be stand-alone long-term care riders with no. You can have, you know, the payer or the premium waiver rider as well. Those are options.
That's true.
So 127, Mr. Des, you want to read this one?
Which of the following is not allowed in credit life insurance?
A.
Yeah, the creditor becoming, hold on.
That's not allowed. The creditor cannot become the policy owner, the policy beneficiary.
Yeah, he can
It
become. In
is,
fact,
no?
in credit
It
life,
is.
the creditor is the beneficiary.
I think it's B. Creditor requiring that a debtor buys insurance from a certain insurer.
Yes, B.
You can
Correct.
advise to
Cannot
buy
suggest the
insurance.
one. They must
Yes,
not suggest the one you should buy from.
yes.
Correct.
B.
B.
That is called. It's a practice called duress or something like that. I've forgotten the term.
Is
But
it
it's like
coercion?
putting pressure on the
Coercion, have you something?
debtor. What did you say, Mr. Oluwatosin?
Is
It's
it
coercion.
coercion or
Coercion.
something?
Yes,
Yeah,
coercion.
coercion. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I
Correct.
still have to get this creditor and debtor
Jay,
in my
let me
brain.
explain this, right? Let's explain it. Which of the following is not allowed in credit life? Remember, credit life is the debtor borrowing money from the creditor. The creditor takes a policy to guarantee that loan.
Like car or mortgage or whatever.
Yes. So in that case, the creditor is the beneficiary. The creditor is also the owner of the policy. The debtor is the insured.
Got it.
Pays the premium.
Yes, and pays the premium.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Ms. Geraldine, you want to read this one?
Yeah. What must an insurance company that is organized in and has its home office in Missouri do in order to legally transact insurance in the state?
Receive a certificate of authority from the
D.
director.
D.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
129.
How long must an insurer maintain advertisement used in the sale of an insurance?
I
You
can't
want to take a
remember.
picture of this one also. We really
Yes, sir.
want to know the answer.
I think it's
Is it 6? Is it 3 years or 2 years?
I'll say 5.
Let's take
Okay.
it. Let's take a picture of this question.
Either
I
5 or 6.
I've
Because
screenshot it.
it could come 6 years later, they come bring a lawsuit. You know, I'm thinking of how long they preserve federal in the pharmacy, how long will keep documents.
Let's go with 6 and then we'll
Yes.
research and see.
Well, if
Yes.
it's keeping document, I think 3 years.
Mm.
Document must be something, 3 years.
Okay.
Sure.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Okay, sir. An insurer publishes intimidating brochures that portray the insurer's competition as financially and professionally unstable. Which of the following best describes this art?
I think we missed that question. It's supposed to be 5 to 5 years.
We can go back and change it.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
Illegal under any circumstances.
True. We're going to up our speed.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Des.
Okay. Which of the following is true regarding the insurance amount in a credit life policy?
B.
Insurance amount. B cannot be more than the amount owed.
The creditor can only insure the debtor for the amount owed. B.
Yes.
You can't owe 5,000 and go and take a loan for 10,000 on your head.
Correct. Miss Karen.
An individual who is a resident of another state may obtain a Missouri non-resident license without testing provided. So all of the requirements are met.
Yeah.
Correct. Great answer.
All of the following statements are correct regarding credit life insurance, except there's so many questions now on credit life.
B. No, the borrower. D is a wrong answer. The benefits are not paid to the borrower's beneficiary. They're paid to the creditor.
Creditor, that's D.
Correct.
D.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Yes, sir. Every insurer marketing long-term care insurance must establish marketing procedures to ensure all of the following, except
It's between A and C.
D.
Except
Excessive insurance will not be sold. C.
Are we correct?
B is right. Excessive input. That's a limitation.
Correct. Every reasonable effort is made to identify an applicant's other insurance.
an applicant for that insurance. That's not true. But this
is true when you are entering the policy. When you're entering the policy into the system, you have to list every other insurance company.
Okay, do they sell LTC to every prospective insured? Because every prospective insured is not old to look. Okay, maybe that's correct.
I still stand with C.
Okay, let's go with go with your C and C. All right.
That's a good rhyme.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Okay, sir. When a health carrier receives a request for a first-level grievance review, the carrier must acknowledge the receipt of the grievance within how many days?
When in doubt, we say 30 days, right?
Is it 15?
I think it's 15. Remember that last question? That's why I get confused. Because it has to be immediate.
5 days. Let's go with 5.
5 days, yes. It has to be immediate.
Because this is acknowledge. This is acknowledge.
Not even doing anything.
All right. Mr. Des.
2 individuals are in the same risk and age class, yet they are charged different rates for their insurance policies due to an insufficient factor. What is this called?
Discrimination.
Discrimination. Insignificant.
Assignability provision in a life insurance relates to it's between A and B. It's either the company's right to replace. No, it's A.
To designate a policy, a new beneficiary.
Assignability.
Is it not? It does not talk about
the company or the owner.
Absolute and collateral. Is that not?
Okay, so assignability provision. So that is a right of the policy owner
to convert.
So that's A.
It has to be A. There's no other answer that makes sense.
No answer.
Because again, they are taking the insured to be the policy owner.
That's true.
Because even these could be look like the answer in a group based, you don't have riders, you don't have right to choose what you want to do.
Correct. Yeah. Ms. Geraldine, you want to read this one?
An individual and group health insurance policy issued in the state that covered dependents of the insured must provide coverage for a newborn child of the insured starting
At the moment of birth.
moment of birth.
Yes. Hey.
If they cover you in your stomach, why would it that you come out that they can't cover you?
That's your constant analogy. I can't forget that.
Yeah.
Miss Karen, you want to read this one?
What is the time limit to contest life insurance policies in Missouri?
2 years.
Yes,
That's universal.
That's totality.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Okay, so a producer may accept a commission for a Medicare supplement policy.
Thought we said it was A.
Yes.
This one we just have to cram.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If the commission for the first year does not exceed the double commission for the second year.
Second year, yes, sir. It's correct.
41.
What is the long-term? What is the long care policy? What do long-term care policy offer to policyholder to the account for inflation? To account for inflation. Long-term care. Do they account for inflation?
I think they do not account for inflation. All the reading, I didn't see inflation anywhere.
I think they offer the option
No,
of
they can.
purchasing.
They can.
Is either A or B? They offer the option of purchasing coverage that rises benefit levels accordingly.
No, it must be something they offer. A says they offer the option of purchasing coverage that raises benefit levels accordingly.
Yes, I'm looking at that.
Which is again an inflation rider.
Yes.
Or a cost, or they call it a cost rider.
Cost of living. Right.
The initial amount of a credit life insurance may not exceed the
borrower's monthly income. Yes.
No.
Borrower's
the amount to be
amount.
paid under the contract.
Correct.
No.
The amount to be paid under the contract, because remember the contract is what you borrowed. Is that what it is?
We're getting close to the end. Mr. Oluwatosin.
Okay. If the case in the case of producer solicitation, at what point must a long care shopper's guide must be presented to the applicant? Period to the time of application.
Yes, correct.
B.
Unlike life insurance where you submit it when you're delivering the policy.
But this one is period to the time of application.
The very time of application. Except Oga Valentine thinks otherwise.
At the time of the application.
I've picked that and I got it wrong.
Oh, really?
Yes,
okay.
It's prior to the time of application. Remember, this is a big market. Yes.
Okay.
I asked guy, it's B. I've said this question.
Mr. Valentine, what do you think?
If Ms. Geraldine says that's the answer, I'll go with it.
Okay.
And the reason why I think she's right is because it's in the case of producer solicitation. At one point, must a long-term care shopper's guide be presented to the applicant. Application is when you've already decided on the policy and you're entering the policy in the system.
Okay.
But prior to the application, because that guide is supposed to help them choose the right policy.
Okay.
So she's right.
So we are passed.
Ms. Geraldine, you want to read this one?
Who is required to keep and maintain a register of appointed producers? The Department
They're
of
not
Insurance.
Keep and maintain the appointment of producers. Is the insurer.
I think it's the insurer in this case.
The insurer?
Yes.
Yeah, we've picked the Department of Insurance in the past and we've gotten it wrong.
The
So,
Department of Insurance doesn't
so let's
control.
think this out. The insurer, let's say the insurer is Geico. Are they, because this is state specific.
Yeah, it's state specific, but it applies in all states. Go ahead, Ms. J, ask your question.
So who is required to keep and maintain a register of appointed procedures? Appointed.
Okay, so let's
Appointed
first ask.
producer.
Wait, just hold on.
Appointed producers.
Let's first ask, what is an appointed producer, right? An appointed producer is when, like when you guys have gotten your license, right? We have to then go through the process of appointing you guys with the insurance company, appoint you with Transamerica, appoint you with Nationwide, appoint you with Geico. So you have to be appointed with that producer, with that insurer, to be able to do business.
To serve under them.
To serve under them. So who is required to keep and maintain a register of appointed producers? Is the insurers, because the insurers also have to make sure that your licensing and certification requirements are current for you to continue doing business.
Okay.
Ms. Karen, you want to read this one?
The group health policy providing coverage on an expense-incurred basis will also offer coverage for the necessary care and treatment of what?
C.
Sounded like they rewarded this question differently, but the most, the most logical is C.
Because remember, it's just almost like having an accident if you have a heart attack.
146, Ms. J.
When a group health policy is being replaced with another health policy, with another group health policy, what will happen with the ongoing claims? They will be covered regardless of the pre-existing condition.
That's D.
It's an ongoing claim. The claim is already there.
So
yeah, it's not like a new
which is the answer?
D.
D.
Okay. 147, Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
A health policy will not terminate for a physically or mentally handicapped dependent upon the dependent's attainment of the limiting age only if which two conditions are demonstrated to the insurer.
We've seen this question before.
I think it should be closer to D.
Or B.
It's B.
B.
I think it's B. The dependent's incapacity for self-sustaining employment.
Correct. Okay.
The chief officer of the Department of Commerce and Insurance is the director. All of the following statements concerning the director are true except
Is it D?
D. No, C.
It cannot be D. Yeah, C is the answer.
Okay.
D.
That's the odd person now.
Unauthorized insurer. Okay.
149. Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Insurers that issue individual variable contracts in this state are required to mail the policy owner a statement of the investment. How often must they mail the statement? Annually.
Annually.
Okay. Okay.
A producer has submitted a new application to his insurer. However, 30 days later, there was still no coverage available for the applicant. What must the producer do?
Inform the applicant in writing.
Look like producer has no further obligation once it's submitted. No. You should inform, yes.
Because you can be sitting and waiting, you think you have coverage or you don't.
Yes, A is correct.
Okay.
Everything is communication, even in marriage, communication, even in parenting, communication.
Yes. Miss Karen, you want to read this one?
Who is the owner of the credit line insurance policy?
The creditor.
The creditor.
Correct.
The creditor, the predator.
Miss Karen, you want to read this one again?
The type of insurance sold to a debtor and designed to pay the amount due on a loan if the debtor dies before the loan is repaid is called
C, credit line.
Credit line.
Correct.
credit line.
If this exam is this easy,
That's the way it's gonna be. This exam mode.
153, Miss Geraldine.
To maintain an insurance license, all Missouri producers must successfully complete the required continuous education. All of the following statements concerning continuous education are correct, except
Not done within, is it done within 1 year? No.
no, wait, let me see. C and D are correct.
Okay, C and D.
Except.
Yes.
The one that is
No,
not except.
A and D are correct.
A and D
are correct. The answer is between B and C.
And C. The credits may not be applied towards the next requirement period.
But how can B not be correct? If you have 1 year to do 16, can you not extend it to the 1 year?
No. Once your continuing education credits are due, what this is trying to say is you can extend completing them for 1 year.
Oh, okay. No, then that's not right.
They're saying the one that is not correct. They accept.
It's B then.
Yeah, though there are situations where the agent or the producer might be serving in the military abroad, but let's not even consider that. Let's go with B.
Is it every 2? Are we getting 16 hours every 2 years, or is
yes,
it 12?
Instead of Missouri.
Every 2 years, yes, you must complete 16 hours of continuing education credits.
The creditor.
Which one? Which of
the?
Correct.
Oh, let them put 150 questions on the creditor. That I will take it. Well, is it because this is like the most common form of insurance that a lot of people use? That's why you have a lot of questions.
This is the last one, Miss Geraldine. You want to read this one?
Yes, it's my honor. Okay. Individual and group health policies in this state will cover which of the following procedures for women?
Women under 50.
No, wait a minute. Binary, we take that out.
Remember, we did this before. They were telling our mammogram for women under the age of, is it over the age or under the age of 50?
It's looking
If you are,
between A
It's
or
between A and
C.
D. I think it's D. Mammogram for a woman with a familial history of any disease. No,
No.
it's A.
A.
Yeah. Let's see. What?
No,
what did we do?
No, we haven't submitted it yet.
I haven't submitted. You said we should review.
You still have 52 minutes to go to the bar and drink and come back.
I'm gonna submit.
Don't go to the bar. So,
I
when
said,
you
God,
come,
Jesus Christ.
Auntie.
Oh,
I know.
I can go to the bar and drink and come back. You said?
So that when you come back, you don't change the correct source.
Sister G,
Yes.
some of us are averse to drinking. Some of us are Nazarenes.
The one
I'm
I
telling
did,
you, the day I go and take this exam and pass, you guys will hear me. I'm telling you guys.
You are going to
I'll
pass.
post a video.
You are going to pass, my sister.
Let's
You have
see
passed
the ones that will fail. That's a very high score.
You have passed already.
The one I did yesterday, I also scored 84 for
What?
exam mode. So I'm happy that we can score 90 now. That
Let's
means if I try again.
Mr. Valentine, are you sending this one to me?
The video?
Yes.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
So now let's see the questions that we missed.
See them after this illustration.
The only section we scored less than a 70 was Missouri statutes,
Missouri.
rules, and regulations.
We almost scored everything.
There's some that was scored 100%.
Yeah.
Yes.
That social insurance, is that not Medicare and Medicaid stuff? What?
So question number 4.
Yes.
You guys just give me a quick second, okay? Quick minute.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back myself.
Yes, so it's okay for me.
Nothing has ever tormented me in my life like this exam.
You have surmounted it in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
It ain't going to torment you no more, my sister.
Amen. Amen, my dear. Amen. But in all of my years, I've just learned that I'm not just a good test. I'm not good at exams, especially here in America. This is multiple choice. Yeah. It's just my daughter has tried to encourage me, like, Mom, you're smart, you know the material. I say, yeah, I sit there and run my mouth like a parrot. When I get into the exam, I'm like a mumu, like somebody I cannot talk. Yeah. It's crazy.
Don't worry about it. You got it X this time.
Thank you.
You got it, S. You just go there and you think like all the rest of your sisters would think,
Yeah.
and don't be too fast in a hurry. Don't be flustered with things. There are sometimes the questions you see, you're like, where did they get these questions? I haven't seen it before.
Mm-hmm.
They say that you have to use the experience and read it and eliminate the ones you believe they can eliminate.
Mm-hmm.
And when it comes to the ones that doesn't make sense, you just choose B, like Mr. Valley said we are supposed to choose.
The one with the least wordings.
The ones with the least wordings are the ones that has the longest wordings. I think we have really.
We've really studied our hearts out for this class. Especially me. I'm planning to go take this exam this coming week. No. I hope I can pass it and get it over with. We are the three delegated ones. So all the other people in this class have already passed. So it's me, you, and Oluwatosin.
Mm. So is it possible for me to write this exam on 23rd?
On when?
On Thursday, 23rd.
I think you should.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I want
Are
to
you
register
registering?
tomorrow. I want to register tomorrow. So
Why wait until tomorrow?
can we do it now?
Yes.
They're closed now.
No, we can register
It's
online. We just
online.
have to register.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
online. You can, it's an open, you look, just see what, if the space is available.
After we review this, then let's look at the date and register you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right. Let's go through
I
the ones.
want to do mine when all of you guys will be available to assist me the way you assisted us in this exam. So you tell me they will, you guys are all available to assist me.
You
I
can
think-
do, you can even do it tomorrow.
I think we failed
Yes,
about
you are.
11
Okay.
questions. So let's
Yes.
review them. This one says, all of the following are true. Well, I'm going to have you guys read. Geraldine, you want to read this one?
Yeah. All of the following are true statements regarding the accumulation of interest option, except the answer says interest is not taxable since it remains in the insurance policy.
That's
Didn't
true.
we see? Didn't we see that?
They say the reasoning.
Interest is taxed.
Yes, they say interest credited under the option is taxable when whether or not the policy owner receives it or not. Remember that?
Yeah, but that word retained by the company is misleading. Because yes, it stays with the company, but it's in the
coffers.
It's in the policyholder's account.
I think the word accumulation. So it has not been distributed, it has not been paid out.
Yes.
So
There you
that's
go.
why it's
So the
growing.
interest keeps accruing. You're very right.
Yes. So it's until it reaches maybe payout period that the interest will not be taxable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going.
Let's go to the next one. Number 11. Mr. Des, you want to read that?
Which provision states that the insurance company must pay medical expense claims immediately? Time of payment claims.
Yes, yes.
Okay, time of payment. Yeah, you suggested that we said no. That it should be payment of claims. Right. Yes, you were right. Okay.
If it is immediately, then it's time of payment.
Okay. The reasoning says the time payment of claims provision requires that claims will be paid immediately upon receipt of proof of lost claims for periodic payments, which are to be paid as specified in the policy.
Correct.
Type of payment of claims. Okay, we got that. Okay, 24.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read this one?
Yes, sir. What is the purpose of a disclosure statement in life insurance policies?
Says to explain features and benefits of a proposed policy to the consumer. All right, so I did not see that answer. Yes, I didn't see that answer. So that is really the right one. I chose to have, we chose to help consumers compare policy prices, which is not right.
Yeah, we're very close.
Yes.
That's true. Disclosure statements will help the applicants to make more information informed and educated decision about their choice of insurance.
Correct. Correct. All right. Question 34.
When a whole life policy lapses and is surrendered prior to maturity, the cash value can be used to, it says, purchase a single premium policy for a reduced face amount. That's what we chose, and you said no, Valley. Remember?
Then I was wrong.
I remember that one.
Yeah, no, this one is on me because
Yes.
I was sort of confused with the word surrender, you know. So yeah, you're right. Purchase a single premium policy for a reduced face amount.
Because remember, the cash value could increase the face amount, but now you're using the cash value to pay it off, so it reduces the face amount what it's supposed to be, right?
Correct. Yeah. Number 66.
Which of the following insurance arrangements will be appropriate for a parent buying a life insurance policy on a child where the parent is the policy holder?
Oh man, this one threw us up.
That was a low line through, because if you remember, Oga Valentine, you've explained this over and over about a third party. Yes, about parent, and the examples you've always given is a parent and a child.
Oh my God.
Yes, you've explained this over and over.
Third party ownership.
Third party ownership. Third party ownership. Third party ownership.
Remember, a parent buying insurance for a child.
Okay.
I missed that one. Or go back, Mr. Valentine. Don't leave yet, please. Let me see that one. Number, the other one we just passed on. Can you scroll back a little bit? Third party. Which of the following insurance arrangement will be appropriate for a parent buying a life insurance policy on a child where the parent
and the reasoning is contracts that are not owned by someone other than the insured are known as a third-party ownership. Most policies involving third-party ownership are written in business situations for minors in which the parent owns the policy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Oluwatosin, you want to read 82?
Yes, sir. The provision which prevents the insured from bringing an legal action against the company for at least 60 days after proof of loss is known as legal actions.
Oluwatosin, you're right on this one too.
Okay.
Legal action.
This mandatory provision requires that no legal action to collect benefits may be started sooner than 60 days after the proof of loss is filed with the insurer. This gives the insurer time to evaluate the claim.
Okay. Number 91, Geraldine, you want to read this one?
Yeah. Which health insurance provision describes the insurance right to cancel coverage? A renewal provision.
Yes.
Right again, Oluwatosin.
I remember that.
Oh, you're
I-
so ready for
the
this exam.
no, the previous time
Mhm.
I was on the red and I picked cancellation provision.
Mhm.
It was Barrister that explained that it will be renewal provision. That the renewal will state when the policy will start, who has the right to change the policy or something. So since then, I've just put that in my head, and
Mhm.
that is renewal provisions.
Renewability provisions are included in each health insurance contract and outline both the insurer and the insured right to cancel or renew coverage. This is considered to be a very important provision required by HIPAA, the Federal Health Insurance Portability and the Accountability Act of 1996. Mhm.
Okay, Mr. Des, you want to read this one?
The benefits for individual disability plan are based on
This one tripped me.
No, Olowotosi
on
again had this one right. He said flat amount.
Yeah, because it's individual. If it is group, it will be based on the percentage of the worker's income.
Yeah, we went back and forth with it, and we said flat amount, and we said no. We changed it. Yes.
This is for individual disability plans.
Yes.
Individual. I was
The
thinking of
benefits
group.
of individual disability plan are based on flat amount.
Correct.
Flat amount, not percentage. Okay.
Mhm.
Cool.
Okay. 116. Go ahead, Ms. J.
Which of the following is not a punishment for violating the director's cease and desist order? It's a community
Oh,
What?
that's the list. I didn't even remember thinking
No, which
about
is
it.
not.
No, it's coming imprisonment. If he commits fraud or something, there can be fine, stroke
Correct.
imprisonment, or something or jail term.
You're right.
But
If,
community service is yes. Sorry, sir.
no, you're
Yes,
right.
sir.
If the violation is that is like you say a felony, you can
Yes, sir.
serve prison time. You're right. So it's community service. Mr. Oluwatosi, you want to read 118?
Oh, do we miss this one? A long-term care insurance shopper's guide must be provided in the format developed by which of the following? Oh my God.
NAC. Yes. I said NAC, remember? I said that
Yes,
you guys correct.
I just have to memorize this one.
Mhm.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not a director.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Mr. Des, you want to read this one?
Which of the following statements is true regarding LTC insurance?
Yes.
Every policy must offer non-forfeiture benefits to the
Yes.
applicant.
We were right, and Oga Valentine was wrong.
Yep.
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 We said he must offer non-forfeiture benefits. He said there were no non-forfeitures of in long term. Oga Valentine, explain yourself.
No, the explanation is right there on the board. I don't need to say anything.
Long-term care policies or certificates issued or delivered in this state must offer the applicant non-provincial benefits. Reduced paid up.
Yep.
Insurance is one of the possible non-provincial options, but it is not necessarily required. Long-term care policies must offer a free look period, specified number of days during which the policy owner may return the policy for a refund.
Forfeitures options.
And there's no need flogging a dead horse. If we miss it, we miss it. But it's good that we're learning, though.
Yeah.
Every insurer marketing long-term care insurance must establish marketing procedures to ensure Is that what it is? All of the following except. Okay, LTC policies are marketed effectively to prospective insured. They are marketed immediately.
Effectively, that's what you suggested, Dr. Des.
Well, we are learning now.
Oh my God. Okay. This one, I wasn't sure too.
So, you want to read this one?
Yes, sir. When a health carrier receives a request for a first-level grievance review, the carrier must acknowledge the receipt of the grievance within how many working days?
10 days.
So it's not 15, it's 10.
It's
Okay.
not 15.
It's not 5, it's not 15.
15. I said 15, but I was not sure. So we said we just picked 5 to see what the answer will be.
Correct.
So,
145. Ms. J, you want to read this one?
This one is funny.
Health policy providing coverage on an expense incurred base will also offer coverage for the necessary care and treatment of what? We picked stroke, heart attack, and aneurysm, but the loss of speech and hearing.
Yes.
And this is almost like total disability.
Presumptive.
Correct.
Okay, we didn't even remember the presumptive now.
Presumptive, exactly. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, one more. Ms. J, you want to conclude this one?
To maintain an insurance license, all Missouri producers must successfully complete the required continual education for all of the following statements concerning continuing educations are correct, except excessive CE may not be applied towards next year period.
Excessive.
Excess.
So what we learn here is that CE requirements may be extended for 1 year. Let's remember that continuing education requirements may be extended for 1 year. Like I said, there are exceptions, like if the producer is at war, you know, or if the producer is is experiencing a terminal illness or stuff like that. But I did not know for sure because some states will allow you to carry excess hours to the next year, to the next period. So what we also know is that for Missouri,
in pharmacy, we do carry extra hours to the next year.
Okay. So
remember, go ahead, sir.
No, go ahead.
Remember the exception here. They're asking for exception. It is the, what do you call it? Those high inflated word may not, or is not, or will never, or must. Yeah, now they say may not be applied. That means it could be applied. Okay? The exception is what we are looking for, and may the Lord help us to think of the exception instead of assuming that it's the same thing after we're sitting down for almost 2 hours.
Correct. All right, so we put in some good time. We learned a lot. I just have to work with Mr. Oluwatosin to register for his exam. So Ms. Geraldine and Mr. Des, you guys can drop.
Mr. Valentine, I still, you know, after everybody has taken this test, I'm going to be the one waiting to study by myself. So I need all